Hey, creating a birthday campaign is actually fairly simple to do. So you're just going to click on New Campaign. You're going to choose Regular Campaign, and which is already there. Click Create Campaign. It's going to bring you into the campaign editor. And from there, you would want to put the business name, and you'll go to Next. Choose your carrier. Let's say we're going to choose this number. We're going to say birthday campaign. So you want to choose a keyword, make sure it's available for that number. And then you need to enable the subscription by form because that's where people will enter their birthday. So then what you want to do is you, of course, want to have a logo for the business. You want to select a thank you page once they opt in. So where is this page going to go? It can be an internal page or it can be an external page, like maybe you redirect it to their website, for instance. So let's just say we're going to go to this Cali Forum thank you page. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure birthday is checked. And by default, it's already shown in the form and we're hiding the year and it's required. Anniversary, I usually just do unrequired. Just because everyone isn't married as an example, so I don't want to force that. And then even last name too, I usually uncheck that. So once you have that, and then if you want to customize the form, you can by doing everything here. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we're not going to mess with that. We're going to next, and then this is where you want to structure your messaging. So the keyword message is a message that goes out when someone opts in. So let's say they text that birthday campaign. You want to say, welcome to our VIP birthday club. To get a free meal on your birthday, just complete form here. Now all you're going to do is going to click the form merge tag, just like that. So when they receive that first text, there'll be a link that leads to the form and they'll complete the remaining information that is not captured, which is a name, email, and birthday and anniversary. The phone field will not show because they already text in and the phone field is captured. So now what we're going to do is we're going to edit our form message. So the moment someone enters the form, you can put an SMS in here, and it's just like you can say, congrats, name, you're all signed up for our birthday club. Stay tuned for special offers, right? That's more of the, confirmation message once they have done that, signed up. But where you want to structure your birthday messages is right here, birthday reminder and birthday follow-up. A reminder are messages that go out days before a birthday, which is a captured date that subscriber submitted on the form. So how many days in advance do you want to message that subscriber? Typically, what we do is we'll do 3 messages. So 3 days before the birthday, we'll say something like this. We're going to add a reminder and we're going to have a coupon expiration, right? And we'll have that expiration as when does this coupon expire? So the way that we'll do this is this is governed by their actual birthday, okay? So if their birthday is whatever day it is, we can say this coupon expires, let's call it 7 days from their birthday, okay? And from here, what you can do is you can say how many days before their birthday do you want this to send? So I'm going to say I want it 3 days before their birthday. And at what time do you want this message to go out? So we'll just call this at, we'll do it at 11 a.m. Okay. And then the only method we're going to do is we're going to do SMS. So we'll put name in and say, hey, name. So here's what I like to do, actually. I like to put the business. So let's say the business is Bob's Steakhouse, right? So I'll say, hey, name, uh, heard your birthday is coming up. Come celebrate with us and get a free meal. Then you say, here's your coupon. Then you would click the coupon merge tag. You would find, let's say, the coupon. You can preview how it looks, but I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And then you can say expires. Then you click expiry, and it's going to have 7 days from their birthday. Okay? So that's how you would structure that. And then if you wanted to do another message, all you would do is you would click add. And then the next one you would do is you would say send 2 days. And the logic is 2 days before their birthday. And you would put the same thing in, and you would put the expiration 7 days from the capture date, which is their birthday. And then the third message you would do is you could do on 0. 0 would mean, if you were to put number of days to send, 0 would mean the day of their birthday. And if you did 1, it would mean 1 day before their birthday. So simple logic. That's kind of how that works. And something else, the way that our system works is if in any of these reminders that, let's say this first reminder goes out and they redeem the coupon, like they just happen to come in, maybe before their birthday, a couple days before their birthday, then it will stop sending the subsequent messages in queue. And it makes sense because, in this example I'm conveying to you, you would be sending 3 messages out, but the other 2 won't send because it's already been redeemed. Okay. And there is a function in the property section, which I'll show you, that you can turn that off, because I know in every message sequence, you may not have a coupon, and it just may be a message. So it may make sense for you to continue to send out that message sequence. Something else I want to show you is you can enable conditional redemption. So what this basically means is that if I enable this, then I say, if the offer is redeemed, right, then we're going to send a SMS, and I'm going to say something like this. All right, so I always like to address the business, right? And I'll say, hey, name, we hope you had a great birthday meal. It would mean the world to us if you leave us feedback of your experience. Right? Or you could say it would mean the world to us if you leave us a review. And then you would just insert whatever the Google My Business review link is, for instance. Then you would say, when do you want this to send? So now how this logic works is this sends days after the redemption, right? Or hours after they've redeemed. So the governing logic here is the redemption. So I'll say I want to send it 1 day after they've redeemed the offer. And I'll do that at, let's just call it 11 a.m. All right. And that's all you do. If the offer is not redeemed, based on the expiration date, you just structure it the same exact way. And that's how you set up a birthday offer. Now, what you can also do, if you have any type of a reason to send people a message after their birthday, then you can do this and add it, and you can send a follow-up. So this will send messages based on a time frame after their birthday. For this example, I don't have any reasons to do that, but if you do, you can also do it. So the anniversary reminder and anniversary follow-up, that logic, it follows the same logic. And all you do is you click finish. And once you do that, you are good to go. So I'll just kind of show you how this works. I'm going to go to Google Voice here, and we're going to send a text message, right? And I have one here, but let me, because I do a lot of testing with here, so I already have this number here. So I'm going to act as if I am typing birthday campaign in the system. I'm going to hit send, and then what will happen in just a moment is you're going to get a message, and it says, welcome to our VIP birthday club. To get a free meal on your birthday, just complete the form here, right? So someone has just texted into a table tent, right? That's where we're at right now. And when they click here, it's going to lead to a form, right? Like this. Like this is a pretty plain Jane form, right? Because we did not, do anything to make it look good. So I'll just, put some info here, and then I'll have my birthday here, for instance. Let's just call it February 10th, something like that, or 11th anniversary. I can do that, but whatever date you want to put in. And then now you're just going to hit subscribe. If you notice, there's no phone number on this field because it's already captured, right? So if any captured fields, it will not show on the form. So now it just will lead to whatever page you want to lead to once they have entered their information on the form. So at this point, we've captured all of the data. So you remember we set a form message like once they complete the form. So now that form message just sent, and it says, congrats, Jason Bell, you're all signed up for our birthday club. Stay tuned for special offers, right? So that's how simple it is to create a birthday club. Hope that helps.